So I'm just heading down to feed my pigs this morning. Have a bucket of buartnuts, which are like a walnut. There's a nut meat inside of it. They grow locally around the area, and they're like 60-foot trees that I collect these from. They're past 10 years old, these trees. They produce these nuts after about 7-8 years, and then you can start collecting. In the fall time, which is October, September, they start dropping from the trees. I guess that's late summer in the northern hemisphere. And then to give my pigs something to do, because they're getting really large now in this forest environment, it's nice to throw them a little bit of corn or some of these nuts. You can just throw them all over the whole area, which I have them in here, and they go searching for them, keeps them busy for a while. Every year you can collect these nuts from the trees. They produce pretty well every year. Some years there'll be more nuts than others, and they really love them. I'm going to throw a few in, and you can hear them crunch. They kind of really only for like adult pigs now. They are a hard shell, and the adult pig, they've got a bigger jaw and a stronger jaw now at this time of year. Fed them to little piglets when they were a few months old. They were having a little bit of trouble to get through them, but now that they're fully grown, they really enjoy them. So you can just throw them in here. I'm just throwing them here so you can see them. It's a source of food for them. This is what a pig would usually eat in the wild. That's why they have got such big, strong jaws. They can crunch this sort of stuff. Yeah, there's lots of different nuts you can have. These are a buartnut. It's a butternut crossed with a heartnut. Looks like a heart. It's it's kind of shaped with the little V at the bottom there, and the butternut is a rough type of shell. These are a mix now. They hybridize with each other, and the butternut and the heartnut do. If you can get your hands on any of these butternuts or heartnuts, it's free pig food, and they really love it. Kind of gives them something to do. Find a tree, plant a tree. We do grow trees here. It's really worth your while if you are thinking about the future, because you want to plant a tree now so you can get some nuts in a few years' time.